Hello crafty friends, my name's Alicia, but you can call me Crafty Al, and welcome to day 20 of my 2024 Spellbinders Crafty Advent series. Spellbinders generously sent me one of their advent calendars to open and share with you here on my channel. So each day from the 1st to the 24th, I'm going to have a quick and fun video to show you what's behind the new door and create a project. For day 20, the gift was a set of 3 layering stencils that when you put them together kind of remind me of confetti. I thought that this stencil set would go well with the 2 colors of sequins we've already gotten this month, so I brought in a yellow and green ink to go with those, and then I added on a purple as well, trying to keep them all in a pastel shade. I started by marking where my stencil would be, where the corners of it were, because it is slightly larger than my piece of white cardstock. Then starting with the lightest ink, it's pineapple in this case, or a yellow, I ink blended stencil number 1. When that was done, I moved on to the second ink, and I made sure to start my stencil where I previously had those pencil marks. Then once the purple was done, I went on and finished off with the light green or the mint green. Now it's time for the big reveal. Here is what the piece looks like after all of the layers. For the sentiment, I pulled out a set from my stash and chose one that reads, "You color me happy." I thought this went well with the colorful background. Since I don't have any purple sequins to add to it to pull in more of that color, I'm going to be stamping the sentiment in that light purple ink. If you are enjoying this series, I think you're going to love my daily Advent lives. Make sure to check out the link at the top of the description box below and join me for the next live stream where I will be opening multiple crafty calendars and creating a new tag each day. Off camera, I cut a light purple mat into a 3-inch square, and using a couple circle dies from my stash, I die cut my sentiment and a purple mat for that. After I adhered those 2 together, I added it to my stenciled piece, and I left a little bit of the left edge hanging off. Once the circles had a little bit of time to dry, I cut off the excess with some scissors and got that piece added to the light purple mat. Then to finish it off, I brought in those yellow and green sequins from earlier in the Advent, and I just scattered some around the front of this piece. For this series, I made a special little mini photo album, and each day's creation is going to get turned into kind of an instant photo, or what you might know as a polaroid. So once I had my square done, I got it added to the top center of my background piece, and then it's just going to get put back in the album, so at the end of the month, I will be able to go back and just see what each day's little gift was. It's such a fun and cute way to remember this series. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel and you would like to be notified of my next Advent video, make sure to click on that subscribe button below and ring the bell for all notifications. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch all the way to the end of the video. I hope now you'll consider clicking on one of the videos or playlists I have linked above. And if you are interested in any of the products or tools I used in today's video, I do have some links in the description box below.